Hey there, Lou and Glenn. Well, the superintendent says these are just political stunts and that there has to be more work done before these classrooms are opened safely at LA County Public Schools. However, the school district is now being threatened with a lawsuit. A battle to reopen Los Angeles County Public Schools could end with a possible lawsuit.
I'm following the recent direction of President Biden's CDC director and Dr. Fauci, who clearly stated that it's okay to reopen schools if indeed they follow by social distancing and mask wearing, and that teachers do not have to be 100% vaccinated in order for us to reopen the school.
LA City Council member Joe Buscaino pushing for a new motion to ask the city attorney for legal action that would force LA Unified School District to reopen in-person learning 11 months into the pandemic. A group of 1,500 pediatricians in Southern California and the director of the CDC urging public schools to open their doors, which Governor Gavin Newsom supports, with proposed safety measures and PPE equipment. But the school board believes that's not safe.
To Councilmember Buscaino, I would say that if he wants to help us reopen our schools, he should first help us by reducing community spread and really prioritizing schools.
LA County is still in the state's highly restricted purple tier for COVID cases. However, school districts can seek waivers from the county for in-person learning for kids from pre-K through second grade, which LAUSD has not requested. Superintendent Austin Butner and the teachers union are adamant that all teachers and staff have to be vaccinated before they go back. This emotional plea from the mayor of San Francisco, where the city they sued the school district for not having concrete reopening plans.
It's not acceptable to tell parents who are already under unbelievable stress and are seeing with their own eyes how their children are falling behind, that distance learning is not good enough. This is offensive and completely unacceptable.
From Northern California and closer to home, the councilman says that he's going to seek help from the city attorney this coming Tuesday.
Our students come first. Our kids today are suffering with mental illness. They are suffering with depression. They want to get back in their classrooms to be with their teachers.
LAUSD Superintendent Austin Butner responded by saying the problem is COVID levels in the Los Angeles area have not for a single day since March met the state standards for the reopening of schools. We cannot break state law to reopen schools. If Mr. Buscaino had called any of us asking how the city of Los Angeles might help schools, we would have suggested they redouble their efforts to reduce the level of the virus and make sure teachers and all who work at schools get immediate access to the vaccines. Well, back out here live, in addition to all of this, there has been some confusion between the governor at the state level, county, and the city. However, if there is a lawsuit, that would happen after next Tuesday. Reporting live here in Hollywood, back to you in the studio.